Looking for a reliable wearable camera? In this video, we review the best body cameras of 2026 for security, work, travel, and everyday recording. We've compared video quality, battery life, night vision, storage capacity, and durability to help you choose the right model. Whether you need a body cam for safety, professional use, or personal documentation, this guide covers the top options available this year. Number 3. The CamPro i8-26-1296p HD Police Body Camera is a rugged, professional-grade wearable designed for law enforcement, security personnel, and other high-demand work environments. Featuring 1296p HD video recording and high-intensity infrared night vision, it captures clear footage up to 50 feet in complete darkness, ensuring critical events are documented reliably. With a built-in 128 gigabytes memory, the i8-26 provides ample storage for hours of video and audio, reducing the need for constant data transfers. The 3,500 mAh battery supports up to 11 hours of continuous recording, ideal for long shifts. The 2-inch LCD screen allows instant playback and review on the spot, adding convenience and efficiency in fast-paced situations. Security is a priority, and this camera includes password protection to prevent unauthorized access or changes to settings. Its simple USB connectivity makes transferring files to a computer quick and straightforward. Durability is another highlight. The i8-26 is waterproof and built to withstand harsh conditions, making it reliable in all weather and work scenarios. Users praise its solid construction, intuitive operation, and clear video quality, noting that it exceeds expectations for its class and price. Overall, the CamPro i8-26 offers a combination of durable design, long battery life, reliable HD video, and secure operation, making it an excellent choice for professional and personal security applications. Number 2. The Cam V8 256 gigabytes 4K body camera is a high-performance wearable camera designed for law enforcement, security professionals, and personal safety. Featuring 4K by 2160p video resolution with a 42-megapixel sensor and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures clear, detailed footage suitable for on-site investigations, meetings, or outdoor activities. The optical zoom and snapshot functionality allow users to focus on important details during recording. Equipped with a 256 gigabytes built-in SD card and loop recording, the camera ensures continuous coverage, automatically overwriting older footage when storage is full. This feature keeps crucial moments documented without interruptions. Battery life is impressive, with two 2,200 mAh batteries providing up to 14 hours of recording at 720p. The included charging dock allows simultaneous recharging of the camera and extra battery, ensuring it's ready for long shifts. Even when a battery is removed, the camera continues recording for a few minutes, adding extra reliability. The V8 features infrared night vision for up to 50 feet, with invisible IR illumination for discreet recording in the dark. For added safety, the camera includes red and blue warning lights for emergencies. Double security measures time, stamped recordings, and password protection ensure data integrity, making it court-ready. Users praise its crisp 4K video, clear audio, long battery life, and durable build. Overall, the Cam V8 is a professional-grade, reliable, and feature-rich body camera. Number 1. The Citium 4K 512 gigabytes body camera, F1, is a powerful and reliable recording solution designed for police, security personnel, delivery workers, and personal safety use. Featuring 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, it delivers crisp, detailed video along with clear audio recording, ensuring important moments are captured with precision. Equipped with a 3,500 mAh battery, this body cam provides up to 12 to 13 hours of continuous recording at 1080p without night vision, making it ideal for long shifts or full-day outdoor activities. The built-in IR night vision ensures excellent visibility in complete darkness, producing sharp footage even in low-light environments. With 512 gigabytes of included storage and support for microSD cards up to 1 terabyte, you'll have plenty of space for extended recordings. The advanced H.265 video encoding saves up to 50% storage space and speeds up file transfers by 30%, improving overall efficiency. Built with an IP68 waterproof rating, this camera handles rain, dust, and tough outdoor conditions with ease. It also includes a 2-inch screen, built-in light, motion detection, and 360 degrees rotating clips for flexible mounting. Users praise its clear video, long battery life, and durable build. For reliable, high-capacity recording at a competitive price, the Cydium F1 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If this body camera review helped you find the right option, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell **bell for more in-depth tech reviews in 2026. Drop a comment below with your favorite pick, or let us know which model you'd like us to test next. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.